Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about 8 benefits of English learning. If you are living in a country where the first language is not the English language, you are learning this language as a second language, and if you have learned this language, what are the benefits you will get ahead in life? I will talk about those benefits, so please stay with me in this video. Watch this video till end so that you never miss any point. The first benefit, when you are willing to get a job in your country. I think in most of the countries interviews are conducted in English language, and if you speak very good English language you will be selected for a job, and most of the people are given priority, those know the English language, to get a job. So I think that learning English will enhance your employment opportunities. If you want to get a job in a country or out of the country, when you are planning to travel around the world in such a country where the first language is the English language, there you will I think you will get a lot of benefits of learning this language. If you know the English language, you will easily get the job there. Otherwise, if you don't know the language, then you will get the job perhaps of not your choice, and this will help you when you would travel around the world. So this is the first benefit, that you would get the chances of employment if you know the English language. Second is second benefit, that you can explore the world, you can discover the world. If you know the English language, and when you travel around the world, then you know that in all countries of the world English is given priority to learn. So if you are traveling and you have some colleagues while traveling, those don't know your national language, you do not know you does not know the national languages of you do not know the national language of that person. Those so in this way, when you both don't know the languages of each other, then only language will be of communication, the common language. And what is the common language? English is the common language. If you know the English language, you can communicate with that person, because most of the people in each country know the English language. So this will help you to explore the world, to discover new things, and you will not feel frustrated while traveling. When you would travel, you would go in a hotel where you will have to talk in English language if you are willing to book a room, and if you don't know the English language, you will face their problems. And if you don't know the national language of that country, then you will face the problems. But if you know the English language, you can communicate, you are able to communicate with the people there. So I think this is the second benefit. And the third benefit, that you can get the world class education with the help of this language. You know that most of the books, scientific books, literature, cultural books, religious books are in English language. There are a lot of websites on social media. Those are in English language. Those display their contents in English language. So with the help of this language, you would get the quality education. If you know this language, you will browse through the internet and you will find lot of stuff in English language. And if you read those stuff, you would get benefits from those stuff. So I think that this language will give you opportunities to enhance your knowledge, to grow your talent, to understand more about the world countries, world cultures, religions, territories, more things. This will give you the benefit. Fourth benefit, that brain power. When you are stick to one language, your mind is limited to one language. When you try to learn the second language, your mind would work, your mind would do the exercise, In this way, I think that this activity is very healthy for brain health. So, learning the second language, the people those learn the second language are more intelligent than others those know only their national language. Those people who know different languages are more intelligent than others those know the less languages. So, if you try to improve or try to learn this language, I think that this will be a good effect on the health of your mind. So, if you are willing to keep your mind, keep your brain healthy, then I think that you should learn a second language. And best choice is the English language. You know that this is the international language, and with the help of this language you can grow your talent on international level. So, I think that learn the second language. This is the fourth benefit. Fifth benefit is that you can, as I told you in the beginning, that you can work in English speaking country, because when you would get a job in English speaking country, this will be very good for you. You would earn a lot of budget, lot of livelihood for your household or for your country. In this way, the great opportunities are available for you in the countries where the first language is English language. Otherwise, if you don't know the English language, there you will do the hard work and you will not get a proper job there. So, for getting a beautiful job, for getting a proper job according to your mentality, I think that English language is the best option. If you know this language, this will provide you best opportunities to get a job in the country where the first language is English language, and also in other countries where the first language is not English language. And you know that in every country jobs are given to those people who know the English language at best level. So, this is the fifth benefit. Sixth benefit is that you can improve your communication skill. Right now I am discussing with you in English language. English is not my first language. I have learned this language as a second language, because when I try to learn this language, at that time I faced a lot of problems, because I lack the exercise. Because when you are willing to improve this language and you don't speak this language, you just read, you just write, or then it is difficult for you to speak the language. For speaking, you will have to speak. Speaking comes from speaking. So, I did not have any kind of friend with whom I could make the exercise of speaking this language. So, I myself did a lot of hard work and efforts to improve this language. Still the problems are available, because as I told you, I have lot of stuff in my mind, lot of vocabulary. I have filled my mind with a lot of difficult words, vocabulary, sentences, but when it comes to speak the language, I sometimes face problems while constructing the sentences or forming the sentences, because I lack the practice. So, when you lack the practice, it will be difficult for you. So, this language will provide you the communication skills, that I am communicating with you, and you are living in such a country where I think that my national language is not understood, but you are understanding me. If I speak in my national language, that language is limited to my own country or to those people who know my national language. Otherwise, when I speak in English language, my lecture is going in the whole world, and most of the people are able to understand me. Otherwise, if I speak in my national language, mostly people are not able to understand. Only those people who are living in my country are able to understand me. So, I think that this language will give you the communication skills. Seventh benefit, that you would get the opportunities of entertainment culture. You know that mostly media work, cultural works, film, television, dramas are in English language. The best production is in English language, and if you know the English language, you are able to understand them, you are able to comment on those videos in English language, and you are able to understand the cultural varieties of different countries, especially the Hollywood. Hollywood production is in English language, and when you would watch the movies, dramas, plays, or anything, then you would enjoy in real sense. And when you would read the media stuff of different countries, mostly you know that in each and every countries English newspapers are published. You can read those English newspaper, and with the help of those English newspaper you will be able to know more about that country, the news those are circulating, you would come to know. So I think that this language will give you the entertainment opportunities also. Eighth benefit, the last benefit, that you will improve your confidence. You know that confidence is a must. If you know the English language but you lack the confidence, you are not able to speak. When you would go in front of the masses, you will feel shy and you are not able to speak this language, even if you know. But instead of you, the other person who don't know much English, but he has the confidence, he will be able to speak in good way in front of the masses. So confidence, this language will provide you the confidence. When you know this language beside your national language, this will be the extra confidence for you, and you are able to communicate with others in English language, those don't know your national language, and you are also able to communicate with your nationals in your national language. So you have the both quality. You can make the translation of a English person speech in your national language to make understand other person who don't know the English language. So there are lot of benefits of this language. So I think that you should learn this language, improve yourself. If you are willing to improve yourself, if you are willing to learn this language, then I think that great opportunities are in your hand. With the help of social media, there are so many stuff uploaded on YouTube, so many videos. With the help of those videos, you are able to learn this language. So learn, start today. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.